Okay, for this next video, we are going to be using a 100 square to help with times tables, because sometimes remembering times tables from memory can be a little bit tricky. And a number square or 100 square is a very useful tool to have. So today we're going to focus on the 3 times tables, and we've got 4 calculations. We've got 4 times 3, 7 times 3, 9 times 3, and 12 times 3, which can be a little bit tricky to learn. So using the 100 square, this is a really useful tool. So to show your 3 times table on your 100 square, you're going to count 1, 2, and put a circle around the third number. This represents 1 times 3. Then we repeat 1, 2, 3, and put a circle around the next number. And we're going to keep going. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you can go higher than this, but I am going to stop there. So it should be every third number there's a circle. So 1, 2, circle, 1, 2, circle, 1, 2, circle. And this can be done for any times table. So now if we want to work out what 4 times 3 is, you're going to count the 4th circle, because this is representing 1 times 3, 2 times 3, 3 times 3, and 4 times 3. But to make it easier in your head, you can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, making sure you go in order. So the answer to 4 times 3 is going to be 12. For the next one, we're going to go down to 9 times 3. So this time you're going to count to the 9th circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the 9th circle is 27, so 9 times 3 is 27. For the next one, we've got 7 times 3, so you're going to count to the 7th circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the 7th circle is 21, so the answer to 7 times 3 is 21. And then finally, 12 times 3, we're going to count to the 12th circle. Again, making sure you're in order. And when it comes to the 3 times table, you will notice a pattern that is created. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the answer to that is 36. So this is the way you can use your number square to do your times tables. This works for all times tables, but you won't be able to work out answers higher than 100. So they will always have to be smaller answers. If you wanted to do it with answers higher than 100, then a 200 square would be the best thing to use.